Es el imán y yo soy el metal.
Hello everyone! Don't forget to subscribe.
Solo con pensarlo se acelera el pulso. Yeah.
And please no hate comments. Thank you.
Deja que te diga cosas que hacer de tu cuerpo todo un manuscrito. Lugares favoritos.
On this video, I will show you how I prevent the error on Suno when you wanted to cover a popular audio, and also how to prevent the lyrics error. So make sure to watch until the end.
And the jailbird singing something about the way things used to be. Now I'm dancing on a wire like a cheap paper tiger, strumming on a heartstring stereo to a song that no one knows, and it goes like this. Hey, hey, yeah, said it goes like this. Say la vie, oh, don't ask me, 'cause it goes like this. Yeah.
In this part, I left my laptop while uploading the audio, and I didn't realize it was uploaded successfully. That's why I uploaded it again. So to prevent you from waiting, I will just cut this part.
Now I'm dancing on a wire like a cheap paper tiger, strumming on a heartstring stereo to a song that no one knows, and it goes like this. Hey, hey, yeah, said it goes like this. Say la vie, oh, don't ask me, 'cause it goes like this. Yeah.
En this part, I left my laptop while uploading the audio, and I didn't realize it was uploaded successfully. That's why I uploaded it again. So to prevent you from waiting, I will just cut this part.
Now I'm dancing on a wire like a cheap paper tiger, strumming on a heartstring stereo to a song that no one knows, and it goes like this. Hey, hey, yeah, said it goes like this. Say la vie, oh, don't ask me, 'cause it goes like this. Yeah. So I pack my bags and I'm on my way. And all my friends are upside down, but I get around okay. Now I'm dancing on a tightrope, oh, like some silly little psycho. Only one way out of this two-lane town, and around we go, and it goes like this. Oh yeah.
In this part, I got an error in the lyrics. To prevent this, follow these easy steps.
Because it goes like this. Oh, 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 oh. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Say la vie, oh, don't ask me, 'cause it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. Well, I chipped my tooth on a tangerine, and the jailbird singing something about the way things used to be. Now I'm dancing on a wire like a cheap paper tiger, strumming on a heartstring stereo to a song that no one knows, and it goes like this. Hey, hey, yeah, said it goes like this. Say la vie, oh, don't ask me, 'cause it goes like this. Yeah.
despacito. Quiero desnudarte a besos despacito. Firman las paredes de tu... Sabe que tu corazón conmigo te hace bam bam. Sabe que esa beba está buscando después salvaje. Pasito a pasito, suave suavecito. Nos vamos pegando poquito a poquito. Nos vamos pegando poquito a poquito. Hasta provocar tus gritos y que olvides tu apellido. Despacito.